Hey, it's me, JC, Journey of Jermaine. And I am back with you for the takedown. Yes, my hair is down now. And actually, this looks better than it probably did in the video. But watch this video and I'm going to talk about how I took it down using these TGIN products. So, without further ado, give me a little bit of an intro, use a little bit to my vibe, and continue. Hair porn. Tuesdays with TGIN Man Collection. Catch you soon. Hey, it's me, I'm JC. It is what I like to call me. Real quickly, this is hair porn. This is the part 2 to yesterday's wash day. Yes, I'm rocking this t-shirt for a reason. For all month long, we're doing No Shave November, and TGIN gave me a box of goodies to try, and I'm using this right now. This is one of the products I used yesterday. This is how I got my twist. This is the TGIN Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. I use that as my C. C stands for conditioner, and then I use my L, and I'm about to be using this again. This is Rose Water Curl Refresher, and a little bit, I'm gonna dump some of this in my fingertips. And this is the Argan Replenishing Hair and Body Serum. Yes, so, excuse me. So, what I'm gonna be doing right now is giving you a takedown. So, all month long, real quickly, this whole month is all about No Shave November. So don't forget, please try this hashtag every video you take, every picture you take in video with No Shave November for all my men out there, because you doing that helps out for prostate cancer. And thanks to TGIN, I get to use these products for the first time, and the shirt is really cool because it says, "Let it grow naturally." And TGIN stands for Thank God It's Natural. So without further ado, let's get this ball started. So, no lie, my hair has been, I did twist, and then I kind of just been wrapping it up, so it's just like a few days later. So, first things first, I'm going to spray this, I'm going to spray the Rose Water Curl Refresher all over my head. As so, you just go right here, and you spray all the way to the back, like that, and I'm going to do the same way. A little tip for everyone out there, if you have a protective style, if you're going from protective style to take it out as a braid out or a twist out, which I'm doing, mine is a flat twist out. Reminder, do not touch your hair if it feels dry. You gotta have some type of moisture, whether you put in conditioners on your hair so you can take it down. Make sure you always do that, because you need some type of moisture back to your hair. Our hair naturally dries out a little bit, so that happens. So I spray my hair all over. I'm gonna have a little bit of a dime size, and I'm gonna do a little bit of and then I'll make sure I put it on my fingertips. Put a little bit in my hair, and I'm gonna go on this side first. This side actually is gonna unravel a little bit as we go. So you're just gonna take out and I'm gonna be pretty much just doing like as you see. This is like a search and find type of feel, yeah. So pretty much we're gonna just take it down first, and I'm gonna probably unravel the whole thing now. I'm not the best at flat twist, so I didn't actually do like twist first, and I just kind of connect them together. And this is how my hair turned out. This is a few days later. All right, now start back to front. So first things first, we're going to spray a little bit more. I do a little bit of a drenching situation. I'm a little heavy-handed in that one manner. And I'm still going to add a little bit more of this leave-in conditioner too. Just a little bit, like, okay, a lot of it. This is how much I'm using. And I'm going to have some like Arie on the hair right here on this side. So don't mind that side. And this side, I'm going to just go right here. And then we'll go back to that back. And we go just like this. See? And since I add all this moisture, this is the twist takedown. Don't you love? It's funny to say this. I love when I get to take my twist down. I feel like my hair is like been missing me. I'm missing my curls too. So doing like a twist out is like heaven, especially the twist out part. I mean, having your hair will take the style, especially during the fall, it's really good so you can keep a growth. But it's nothing like having a full-on twist out. And that's what we're doing now. Right now, I'm just gonna unravel all of them. And then after that, I got one more to go on this side. And I'm gonna just show you a little bit of this side only, and then I'm gonna have both sides done off camera. All right, first, you see how this is? So you just unravel a little bit more, and you just feel how the curl wants to go. And you just break it apart. And for like the ends, I like to do like this. So I part, and I just kind of just let it define itself. And it's gonna shrink. My hair is a little, because I added all three of those products, the rose water curl freshener, the Argan Replenishing Hair Body Serum, and also the green tea super moist leave-in conditioner. Is gonna also shrink my hair. That's what this happens. My hair is gonna stay my hair probably will stay just as straight. This is how my twist out turned out. I'm just taking like a little bit piece by piece apart just to make the fullness happen. And I don't really mess the back. I don't touch the back as often because I like my hair, like my curls in the back kind of just stay a little bit more kept because I leave it like that. And I'm at 6 minutes, so I'm gonna stop and start. So this side is almost fully done. So we're gonna go from here to fully done. Hair porn. Don't you wanna? With TGIN Men Collection. Don't you wanna? Alright, I'm back. Now, no lie, this side took a little bit of other. It didn't take that long. Like I told you, 6 minutes. It took almost to get this side done. It took 6 minutes to get this side done. So if you're going for real time, if you want to go with twist, you want to do the same thing I did. I had probably, I would say 12 to 15 twists in my head. And then I had like 2, and then one on the side. And that was it. And then after that, I've actually just been in the mirror a little bit, sprucing up. So to lift it, I actually put some more in my hand. That's why this is open still. The green tea, super moist, leave conditioner. This is like for styling. Styling, sometimes it's also about feel. Like as you see my curl is, how my curls look and stuff like that. If you like this look, we're gonna try it again still. But I still love it. I love this whole feel and everything like that. Next time you see me, I'm going to give you a full haul next week will be a full haul of everything. And I'm going to be giving you beard porn tomorrow. As you saw last week, I actually gave you a beard porn, and beard porn will be on Wednesday for all TGIN products. So I'm going to give you another beard porn tomorrow. But let's get back to this look. Now, this is how my twist out came out. This is after about 4 days of it being in a protective style. So it being this full and having all these curls and stuff like that and having all this great texture, liking that. And so this is how it looks. Now what happens with me, I love my hair like this, but no lie to you, I actually like what I do after this. If you're first time watching the channel and stuff like that, how I'm going to go to sleep and how I'm going to maintain my hair actually is put my hair in a bun. And as we see, my hair looks really great now. I don't want to, but I just have to for work purposes. But all in all, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. You should have seen that thumbs up somewhere along the lines. And tomorrow, we're going to be taking this TGIN haul with beard porn airs. So remember, no shave November. Please, please, please try your best not to shave all month long. I know it's hard, especially for new ones, but I have a lot of tips all month long when it comes to new guys that's coming to their beards and from new beards to beards that's been in for a long time, because we gotta combat so many different things as our beard gets bigger. Now, as my hair goes, next week will be a braid out. Yes, I'm saying this to you now. I'm gonna be switching it up. Next week, I'm going to show you how I do the before steps, and I'm not so much before, but it's gonna be a before and after right in the same video. See you. Catch you with the next one.